Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you a solution for lags in game while the charger is connected or plug-in. Well, this problem occurs due to the overload on RAM and graphics. First, all you have to do is update your BIOS from the websites. If you don't know how to update the BIOS, I will give you a link of video to how to update the BIOS of laptop in the description. Check it out before using this solution. Okay, so let's get started. First, update the BIOS and then you can see your laptop will be faster than before. Then all you have to go to the settings, I mean control panel, then hardware and sounds, then power option, and change the setting of change plan settings or change plan settings of custom plan 1. I am choosing the change plan setting, and then go to the advanced power settings, and then first come to the AMD graphics setting. If you have Nvidia, then go to the Nvidia graphics setting, choose that, and then set it on maximum battery life, both on battery and on plugin, and then go to the switchable dynamic graphics and global settings, and both do on optimus performance and optimus performance on both on battery and plugin. Then go to the Intel graphics settings and do it on maximum performance on battery on in plugin, and then go to the wireless adapter setting, power saving mode. When you are plugin, just do it on the maximum performance, then this can help you to reduce the lag in the game. And then the last thing is, wait a minute, I will tell you, apply it, and then okay, then restart your PC for one times, and then you are ready to play the games. You can play the game without any lag as long as you want, and connect the charger without any worry. Thank you guys, thank you for the watching the video, and please subscribe and share this to those your friends who have same problem playing games and lag on charging. Thank you friends.